This October is shaping up to be the driest on record as we continue through the month with zero rainfall. The last time we measured any rain at Birmingham International was 23 days ago, and the last time we were even close to this threshold was 2016, where there were trace amounts. But looking back through the records, we have never went the entire month without any rainfall. Normally we would conclude October with over 3 inches of rain, but through October 31st, it does not look like we see a 1/2 of an inch. Even a 1/10 of an inch is very unlikely. A few sprinkles may be possible, but we're going to keep our eyes on the drought monitor through the weeks to come as we continue through the driest time of the year. You have to look way out west to see any type of rain over toward the Four Corners. The eastern half of the country remains bone dry and cloud free as high pressure sits in control. And next week, temperatures are going to moderate a bit, and that does mean that we warm up. We look for another trough or a dip in the jet stream by Wednesday. This is over the Great Lakes, but watch how the colder air gets displaced to our north and east with the way the flow pattern is. We're going to stay in a milder air mass, and so no big changes coming to our forecast. If you like the colder weather, we're not looking at another shot of cold air, at least anytime soon. For today, it's going to be a nice day just like yesterday. We're going to be a little bit warmer. Through this morning, you may need a jacket, but 64 at 10 a.m. We're in the 70s by lunchtime, and then high temperatures today settling in the upper 70s across central Alabama. Now tomorrow, I think we're hitting the 80s again by tomorrow afternoon after another chilly start, starting in the mid 40s for most areas, especially from Birmingham southward. Spots like Coleman, Jasper, Gadsden, Center, Anniston, Aniana may be settling in the low 40s overnight, but definitely jacket weather for tomorrow morning. And then through the middle of the week, temperatures climbing into the low 80s. It's going to be a bit warmer and no rain in the 7-day forecast. I want to give you a quick view of Hurricane Oscar. This is the 7 a.m. advisory. Now, we aren't expecting any impacts in Alabama, but this system is a Category 1 storm down toward Cuba. It's expected to move over Cuba through this afternoon as a Category 1 hurricane, and then it may weaken into a tropical storm before it moves back out into the Atlantic and toward the Bahamas. Now, there may be some storm surge for the islands, and of course, they're going to see some heavy rain. And the system is so compact that the intensity may vary a bit. It's a small system, but still powerful. But again, the forecast here at home is quiet and dry with blue skies all day long.